Morning, children, to all of you, and I hope you all are doing all your work. I had given you some diagrams to draw. You must be drawing them well. Draw it neatly and see that you remember the names also well. Now we have finished lesson number 9, safety rules, and we come to the back exercise. Come to page number 66. Multiple choice question. Choose the correct option to answer the following question correctly. We should always follow the dash on the road traffic rule. Which of the following way is used to cross the road? Zebra crossing. Put a tick on it. Which of the following statement is wrong? Jump on the bench is also wrong, and do not play with the matchbox is also wrong. So A and B both are wrong. Only C is right. Number 4. Fasten the dash if you are sitting on the front seat. Seat belt. Put a tick on seat belt. This work you will be getting. Come to C part. Read the following statement carefully and mark right on the true and wrong on the false one. We should not be careful on the road. False. False. We should not push each other on the stair. False. We should always follow the traffic rules. True. Green traffic light means to go through. D. Fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the help box. Here the words are given in the help box. You have to choose them and write. You should cross the road using a zebra crossing. Zebra. You should not play on the road. Play. You should not push each other while getting in bus. Here. Number 3. Push. You should not play behind a parked vehicle. Behind. Now come to E. Correctly match column A with column B. This is match the following. Your words are given. You have to match them with column B. So safety rules keep us safe. We should not jump on the bench. Always keep away from fire. Red light means to keep stop. Red light means to stop. Yes. So this is the back exercise. You have to complete it and you have to learn it also. Yes. And you will learn the question and answer part when you get it. Now come to this. Write 2 safety rules that you should follow. You will complete this over here only. This is your homework. You will complete it here only. Yes. Write it here. You will write it here only. These are lines given over here in a car. Complete it in a sentence. On the bus, write on 2 points. At home, what you have to be? What rules will you follow? 2 points. In the playground, 2 points. Yes. Now turn to page number 68. Yes, this diagram you have already drawn. It says what do the following road sign stands for. Now diagrams are given. Here you have to write down the name. So look at the diagram and complete the names in this box. Yes. Look at the diagram. It is answers are there on the next page and complete the box. Yes. So you'll complete this also here. Now this work you have already done in your classwork notebook. Now this number 2. Prepare a first aid box with the help of your parents. Now you can take any empty box. You can take a small shoe box or a sweet box and cover it with the white paper and put a cross like this, mark of the hospital. See this mark, see this sign, you see this sign, put this sign, a white paper, and put this sign on that white box. Yes. And in that you can put in some small cotton, small bottle. You use your own creativity and make a small first aid box. Yes, this is your project work. Yes, so do this, use your own creativity. You can take any empty box, any empty shoe box or a sweet box or any other box which you have got. Yes, and cover it with the white chart paper and use this sign, and in this way you can make a first aid box. Yes. Okay children, So this much is enough for now. You must be completing your diagrams also. See that this diagrams are complete. The back exercise is complete. Yes, okay, enough for now. And see that you complete all your learning work. All lot of learning work is given to you. Okay, children. Take care. God bless you and remain safe. Okay, children. So now take a box and see that you make the first aid box in a very creative way. Okay, use your own ideas to make. You all are very smart children. See that you do it well. Okay, now with this we complete our lesson number 9, safety rules. Okay, and complete your learning work. Okay, children. Take care.